Lately, we've had a predator move in to our area around the homestead. We had 2 blue peacocks, 2 white peacocks. One of the white peacocks was a female with her babies. Well, since the white peacock came back with her babies and has been home, then peacocks started disappearing, and had some turkeys disappear too. We found the remains of the peacocks, so something is hunting the birds. So Tammy took our female and her babies and locked her up. You saw that. We only got the 1 female left, but I mean, we still have plenty of ducks and turkeys.